Okay, so it's William. Welcome to my channel. So in this video, we're going to tackle the in-app purchase part because just like this. Okay, I think it's easy for me just to show you this. Okay, let's. Okay, so yeah, let's just show you this. So basically, what we're going to do is to go to here. Okay, let me just not move the screen. Okay, I created a project. So just go to your developer project, developer account, app store connect.apple.com, and you create an app. Okay, and I already created a simple thumbnail maker. You can use whatever name that you have. Just don't conflict with all this name, and do not use like a copyrighted the trademark names. Okay, so once you've done that, you just go to here. Okay, we got the in-app purchase section. You'll click it, and you can add all this like prices, something like that. You can do this with the in-app purchase. Right now, I got a premium unlock. That's because if you look at my app, okay, let me show you something like this. Okay, so here is the current status of the app. So basically, you can offer user a simple version, okay, like this, and user can try it out, and of course you can also change a little bit. Okay, so as you can see, we got this setting because we got this free version, no free trials remaining because I already tested it out myself, and also we can upgrade to premium. This is like a button that you can click, and then you can charge user actually for one-time purchase. Okay, of course I personally hate the subscription. I bought subscription all the time, and the bill is just crazy. So I'm not going to make a subscription based app because I think this app is pretty straightforward. Okay, it's pretty straightforward. It's solve one problem, and it's just a nice tool. It's not like say I offer your token all the time, and something like that. It's not a game. I don't need to subscribe to it, something like that. So yeah, you can just make an in-app purchase, just one will be fine. And then the premium you can try twice. So basically you can export image 3 times, so user can get a taste of what's going on. After that, everything's blocked. Okay, just go here and you got unlock premium features, and you use all your free tries, upgrade to continue creating a professional thumbnails. Okay, so you got the button here, and upgrade to premium. Right now I'm setting 12.99. Of course, it's just for demo purpose. You can always change it. Okay, so how to set it up? Really simple one. So first, you just need to go to here, create in-app purchase. Okay, if you create it, you just need to input your product ID. Okay, in order to input product ID, you have to register. Okay, just to if you can't find this product ID. Basically, it's a kind of ID that you do in reverse. You got like a williamjamming.com. So com.williamjamming.this app's name, and that's your ID. Okay, and this and plus a premium. That's because I want to add some plus a dot premium, because that's when you want to upgrade the premium settings. You're going to use this. It's kind of like a URL, and send to Apple, and Apple will confirm the purchase to you. Okay, and all that availability or the surprise settings, pretty simple one. You just need to follow every price in there. You set that in your main currency. Okay, I personally recommend just use US dollars for that. Even though you're from European, something like that, you use US dollars, it will automatically get all the price sorted out, and then you can test it. Okay, so how to test this? If you already got this ready, pretty simple. So first you have to prepare it in your app. So just to go to your where is it? Yeah, just to go to your X code. Of course, you can't possibly just go to colors and sort everything out. Sometimes you have to do a little bit X code. So I made a purchase manager. So basically, just create a purchase manager and share it. I got the products, got the product ID, remaining free tries. I got integer, so it's like you can send it like 3 times, 2 times, 1 times, and 0. Boom, and then you get logic. Max try is 3. Of course, you can always change that because I might add like a batch generation functionality to it, so that will give you at least maybe 20 to try, so you can like a batch generate like 10 files. This is still it's just still a thought. I haven't actually decided whether I will do that. But here is a tricky part. You have to make it exact the same, and it will have to be exact same from the app Store Connect, because that's the like a signal that you have to send to Apple in order to confirm. And of course, if you don't have the web, you got something like this, or if the like URL is not good enough, this part, okay, let me show you. This part will be like a loading, okay, like a playing animation of loading, okay. So that's the thing you have to be aware of. If it's loading, this is something wrong with the URL. So you can't talk to Apple server. And then we initialize it, right? And if it's equal to 0 and all that, so initialize trial, okay, first time initialization, and then you upload products, update purchase products, which is the function that we're going to call, okay. Listen for transaction is a detached task, main actor in and wait and all that, update handle results. Of course, if you join Patreon, you can just directly download all this code, but I will quickly go browse through it so you guys can follow along. Got load products, update purchase products, all that, handle transaction results, and just be prepared for different results, because user can and also have the right to exit the purchase at any time, but you have to handle it. So as you can see, we got purchase async throw, we got all sort of a scenario consider. So for example, success, user cancelled, or pending, okay, and all this unknown, you have to catch it all, and then it's async purchase thing. And of course, you can get a user's free trial. Every time they use that, okay, use that will less it, use less, and then yeah, can access premium is a boolean, okay. Whether the user can access is first user already bought that product, okay, you can access, no problem at all. And the user maybe have a free trial left, you can access product, no problem at all. Yeah, really simple one, and you have to use this update to the where is it, like a premium maker view, okay, premium maker view already, yeah, there's a lot of code here, premium maker view, and yeah, sorry, I think I should delete this. Just add this to here. I believe I add a toast. Okay, I add a toast. On change profile selection present success. It should be a toast. Let me search for it. I believe I already added toast. Yeah, showing toast overlay. Okay, and so every time you use that, last 1 month, and then there's a toast nicely showing up, floating a little bit. Okay, and I also make a toast view here, toast view component. Okay, so yeah, preview, we don't need that, doesn't call me that. So basically, just a message. Okay, the message really depends on which how many times have you left. Okay, so yeah, pretty simple one. And how to test it? Okay, you have to use Sandbox in order to test it. So let's go back to the website. So basically, you have to go to we got like user and access here. I don't know whether you guys can see. You at the top of the menu, you click this user and access, and you go to this Sandbox section, and you can create account that is different. Of course, this is a fake account. Okay, it's a fake account that you use specifically for testing. So just be imaginary. Okay, so I'm just to make something up. Right now, I make a williamjamming@gmail.com is from Australia, and I use that for testing. And of course, you can test the price settings. So now I believe if I set like a 12.99 US dollars, and Australia will like be 19.99 Australia dollars, something like that. Australia US dollars? Okay, I'm not sure. So basically, whatever currency the Australians using, and it will be 19.99, not exactly the same price. So yeah, of course there will be there is a bug, because if you got here, I got it so like 12.99, and that's US dollars, because I'll omit that. So that's the problem, that when I tested, like actually, the problem arises. But I want to show you how it's done. Okay, let's create American user. Okay, so you can plus, and you can put whatever name that you want. Okay, so for example, I'm going to say a Batman is going to buy, maybe not Batman. Batman is too rich for my products. Maybe something like I don't know, Tom and Jerry. Yeah. Okay. I don't want to be like copyrighted. I don't want to infringe anyone's. Tom and Tommy. Tom and Tommy. Right. So I don't want to input anything. So maybe I'm going to say Tommy. Okay. At us.com, something like that. I use this as a fake email. Remember, it shouldn't be exactly the same as your like a real Apple ID, because you will get confused, and you have to exit the Apple ID. That if you're like testing on the real device, you have to exit it and use the like this sandbox ID. Okay, password. Okay, we got tons of password. Let's see, which kind of password should I use? Like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. Yeah, I got like at least one lowercase character. That's so pretty boring. QWERTY. Okay, is that good? 8. Okay. UIOP. Okay, this is the first line. Okay, confirm. At least got one number. Okay, the 1, 2, 3. Okay, I think it's pretty long. One capital letter. What the heck? So let's use the first QWERTY 1, 2, 3. Okay, and capitalize the first one. It's not secure. Oh my gosh. Let's try this one. 1, 2, 3, and got a exclamation mark. Okay, let's choose from USA. As United States of America. That's United States of America. Okay, United States. Okay, so you can create it. So Tommy US and all that. Remember, this is a fake account. So when you click it, you can input that fake account. It's already in a sandbox, so it's okay. So I'm going to just go and say Tommy. Okay. Tommy at us.com, and all this password that you just to create it. Okay, and then you click OK, and then it's like you got like got that account. Okay, and I'm going to test it. Yeah, it's not signing. Maybe I have to like test it on real device. So let me think. Yeah, I have to like cast my device to the screen. Yeah. So yeah, I don't want to do that. Okay, I don't want to do that. I don't want to like cast my device to the screen and then do that over again. But you got an idea. Okay, you just test on your physical device, and you got here. You input the sandbox, and it will like pop it up, and you click, and then it's like you bought a real thing on Apple device. And of course, you can delete accounts. You can get all this, specific information here. Okay, let's test it again. I believe it's maybe it's not possible to do that on a simulator. I'm not sure. Okay, so Tommy. Okay, because normally I would just test it on the real device, and yeah, if you test on a real device, it will work. But I don't know why you can't do that. Yeah, so yeah, doesn't really matter. I tested on real devices, it worked. Okay, so basically this is all this workflow that you have to do. Okay, so thanks for your time, and see you next video where I will add more functionality to the premium version. Okay, thanks, bye.